I'm Bonnie, and I'm going to talk about my tables a little bit. I use this table a lot when I'm cooking. My original table was just a table that I had, and I learned really quick that there were some things about a table that are really important for me when I'm cooking in the brick oven. One of them is to have a nice, easy surface that isn't going to scratch and that you can put some hot things on. So I use tile, wood frame. I don't have to pick it up to move it because since we're filming videos, I move the table around a little bit here and there. And now I can just push the table. The other thing that I really needed with the table was a place to put things out of my way, out of sight. So if you look down underneath the table, I have a nice shelf underneath, and that's where I can get all of my dirty dishes out of the way. So that has really worked out well, having this table. The other table that I use a lot is this small table. I found that I needed something a little bit closer to the brick ovens at times. So I use it sometimes, I don't always use it. You can move it away, but it has a nice surface to be able to set things on. I still have enough room that I can reach over it to get to my fire. So these are some ideas that I use to help me be able to enjoy cooking a little bit more. So hopefully this inspires you to create some tables for yourself. Whatever works for you is what you should build.